Go!
Hello!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, darling! Anong handa?
Padala ka rito. Padala ka rito, handa.
Magkano lang lechon, ha?
Para matikman namin lechon.
Happy
Hindi mo kami
birthday! Enjoy enjoy ka!
Okay na.
Hello, happy birthday parin Doleng. Kasama ko pala si Justin Bieber.
Happy birthday. Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Hey yo, what's up, Boss Doleng? Happy 48th birthday. I wish you all the best and good health. At syempre, ganun din sa family mo. Ingat ka dyan palagi and enjoy. Happy birthday again, Tropa.
Happy 40th flash birthday, Doleng! Masaya akong bumabati sa iyong kaarawan, lalo na kung anong tagumpay meron ang iyong buong pamilya. Dahil sa pagpapala na ibinigay sa inyo ng Panginoon, hiling ko lumalim palalo ang inyong pananampalataya habang naghihintay sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Muli ako'y bumabati sa iyong napakasayang 40th birthday. God bless us all. Happy birthday and thank you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Dolen! In Fairview, mukhang hindi ka tumatanda. You look young talaga. Chos! Anyways, sayang hindi ako nakarating dyan, pero yaam na. Sa susunod, this coming summer, I'll visit you. Sa'yo lahat dyan. Magsama-sama tayo. Anyways, enjoy your special day. Oh, meron nga pala akong verse for you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Yun lang. At saka, mag-ingat kayo. See ya! Mama. Bye.
Hi Eric, happy birthday. Parang kailan lang malayo na yung narating mo. You're already 40 years old. Na-remember ko pa nung una kang dumating sa Winnipeg. Tuwang-tuwa ka nung makita mong kami yung kapitbahay mo. Kaagad ka nakipagkaibigan and you became very close to my children. Para mo na rin akong nanay at para na rin kitang anak. Naalala ko nga minsan, pupunta ka sa bahay. Sabi mo, Ate Remy, wala akong pamasahe. That's what I like from you. Kasi wala kang yabang sa katawan. Malayo pa mararating mo, Eric. Sana hindi ka magbago. Saan ka man umabot sa buhay na to. You have a wonderful family. Mahalin mo sila. Devote yourself sa pangangalaga sa kanila. At naway maraming pang birthdays ang isi-celebrate mo along with your happy family. Ang lahat ng the best, all the best of everything ang wish and prayer ko for you bilang iyong ninang. Happy birthday. At naway pagkalooban ka ng Panginoon ng kanyang pagpapala and lahat ng favors ay mapasa iyo sa mga darating pang araw sa buhay mo. Muli, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye!
Happy birthday, Doleng! Ayan, so birthday mo na. Ang naalala ko si Doleng yan yung pinaka-flawless, pinaka-maputi kong pinsan. I remember nung bata kami, ingit ako sa kilikili niya kasi sobrang kinis, sobrang puti. And syempre hindi ko makakalimutan na kung paano ko siya nakita na sobrang in love kay Aiza. Ayan. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Doleng.
Good evening or good morning. Good evening. Happy 40th birthday to you, Eric. This day is so special because it's 40th birthday of yours. Diba? I only wish you always continue your good relationship and more good relationship, talaga deeper and good relationship with your wife, with your family, close friends, and especially to God. Ayan, huwag natin nakalimutan. I know, bata ka pa medyo, alam mo na, siyempre bata si Ted, maraming mabarkada. Pero now I'm so surprised. You are now a servant of God, you know. I'm so happy. Matutuwa si nanay, si tatay. Alam mo naman, religious persons na mga yun. Yun lang. Enjoy the day.
Happy birthday, Paring Doleng. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. God bless. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. See you soon. Mahal ka namin.
Hi, darling! Happy birthday sa iyo. Hindi ko alam kung ilang taong ka na, pero ang wish ko sa iyo is good health, laging magpipray kay God, at ingat kayo ng pamilya mo dyan. Sana sa pag-uwi nyo, magkita tayo dyan. Magkita tayo din sa Pilipinas, okay? I love you, darling! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Dear Daddy, happy birthday! I just want to take a moment to let you know just how much I love and appreciate you. Thank you for all the things you do for our family. Your love and care for Mommy, for Kuya Mark and Matthew, and for everyone around you, you truly mean the world. Your kindness and strength are a constant inspiration to me, and I'm so blessed to have you as my father. I pray that God continues to protect you, guide you, and give you the strength you need. May He bless you with a long, happy, and healthy life. You deserve all good things in this world for all the love you give. I love you, Daddy. I'm so thankful for everything you do. Have a wonderful birthday.
It's our days off. Congrats for overcoming every obstacles. Congrats for finally having 3 lovely children, a loving wife, and a supportive family. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Don't forget to keep going. You already made it. You already did.